Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant. You get an IOMMU error with a message IOMMU restriction has been applied. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, you need to open up your BIOS menu. In BIOS menu, you will find the option of CSM support. Make sure you disable it. After disabling CSM, another option that you need to enable is Intel virtualization technology. It's Intel VTT or VMX in case of Intel CPUs, and you will find SVM mode in case of AMD CPU. So whatever the option is available, make sure you enable Intel VTT, VMX as well as SVM mode. After doing these two changes, restart your system and then you need to open up your Windows security. Click on the option device security and then choose core isolation details. You need to turn on memory integrity. After doing these 3 or 4 changes, try to relaunch your game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although if this failed to work out, in next step, right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Now in device manager, there is a higher possibility that the issue is with your Wi-Fi adapter and that's why you are getting this particular error. So what you need to do is to expand your network adapters, and whatever your Wi-Fi is, you need to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and choose the option disable device. After disabling your device, you need to connect your system with an Ethernet port. After connecting your system with an Ethernet port, if the issue is fixed, it is very clear that the issue is with your Wi-Fi drivers. So what you need to do is to right click on it, go to its properties, and you need to note down its name. After noting down the name of your Wi-Fi adapter, you need to download the latest Wi-Fi drivers of your Wi-Fi adapter and then install these drivers into a system. Along with updating your Wi-Fi drivers, you need to again open up your web browser and type in update BIOS drivers, and next to it you need to type in the name of your motherboard, for example MSI. From here you need to open up the official website of the motherboard manufacturer, download the latest drivers for your BIOS and update your BIOS as well as Wi-Fi drivers. After that, restart your PC and the issue of WAN IOMMU will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.